Hello Korean food lovers out there. Today I'm going to make a stir-fried squid with red pepper paste. We Koreans love squid a lot. Squid is used for many dishes such as stir-fried squid with red pepper paste, or sometimes we make a squid soup. Even when making kimchi pancake, I put a squid because my kids love squid very much. Today's stir-fried squid with red pepper paste is very simple. Just score squid and get some nice vegetables, and we'll mix together with the sauce and we'll stir fry it. It's very easy. Just follow my direction and you can make very yummy stir-fried squid with red pepper paste. Let's go for it. Ingredients are very simple. Squid, carrot, spring onion, red pepper, onion, and garlic. Sauce is also simple too. The most important sauce is red pepper paste. We call it gochujang, and just a little bit of sugar, pepper powder. One of the most essential oil for Korean cooking is sesame oil. And finally, we need just a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, now I'm going to cut my vegetables first. Onion, cut in half, and slice, fold to fold. Cut, make a 3 cuts, and cut in half. Spring onion, diagonal cuts. Red pepper, another diagonal cuts. And garlic, I'm going to crush. Vegetables are ready now. Now it is time to cut my squid. First, cut the legs into around 5 centimeters long. And this part should be cut and cut like this. Another very important thing is to cut this squid. You just can cut this squid into small stick like this. If you want to make more sauce attached to the squid skin, you have to score the inside of the squid. Then they will roll like this, and the total amount of the surface will be much bigger than just a plain one. So we are going to have a check score here. You can do like this, but if you tilt your knife like this, maybe the angle would be like a 45 degrees. Then you can drag like this. Don't cut to the score like this. But the problem is that this is too large. You cannot make a very even depth of the scoring. So here's my option. Just cut the squid body in half lengthwise. And you will have a half of it. Now you can score easily because your knife blade is larger than this, so that you can control the whole body of the squid like this. Tilt and cut the half of the flesh. And I'm going to make a vertical score. You just rotate your squid 90 degrees and then score like this. Now it is done. When scoring is done, I'm going to cut my squid into around 2 centimeters thick, like this. Drag down like this, and drag down. And another part. Okay, now it's time for making sauce. First, I need to have 1.5 spoon of sugar, 2 spoons of soy sauce, 2 spoons of sesame oil, and bit of ground pepper. And the most important sauce is red pepper paste, 1, 2 and half. Plus I need crushed garlic. Mix all of it. Okay, now it's time to stir fry our squid and vegetables. First I'm going to stir fry vegetable. Most people stir fry squid and vegetable all together, but if you do that, some of the waters will come out from the vegetables and squid, and the food will be very soggy. To prevent your dish from being soggy, separate your squid and vegetables and stir fry separately. First, I'm going to stir fry my vegetables. Whenever you stir fry something, you always have to preheat your pan first. Otherwise, slow cooking squeeze the water inside of the vegetables out, and then your stir fry is not stir fry anymore. It's just like a blanching or steaming. Pour some oil. If the oil runs like water, your pan is ready now. How to test? Put 1 particle of ingredients. If you can hear the sizzling sound like this, you can fry now. Slide ingredients. Now stir fry. Whenever I stir fry something, I always use this wooden long chopstick, because this chopstick is really useful. You can stir your ingredients and you can pick your ingredients, and sometimes you can cut your ingredients like this. Fry your onion and carrots for 1-2 minutes, and you can put your squid. Stir fry, and now your sauce. 1, 2, 3 spoons. Stir fry now. Quickly. If you like a spice food, you can put more red pepper flake. Stir fry very quickly. Mix evenly so that all the sauces are evenly coated. Now, at our final stage, I'm going to pour spring onion and red pepper. Stir fry. If you cook your squid too long, it will be too chewy. Maybe 3 minutes are enough. Look at this. This is really beautiful. Okay, done. Okay, today the stir-fried squid with the red pepper paste is done. I'm going to eat. First, rice. It is very, very yummy. If you love a bibimbap style, you can pour this stir-fried squid on top of the rice. You can mix. Pour some of this and mix, and with a spoon, everything all together. With the rice. Hope you enjoy your own style of stir-fried squid with red pepper paste. Bye.